This tire is a Ford Fusion, and we are replacing the TPMS Service Pack. Let's call it what it is. It's basically a valve stem with a mount for the sensor on it. So that's what we're doing today. We gotta take the air out, break our bead, this bead breaker is a little old school here, so it's designed more for smaller width tires. Alright, we got it. Darn tires got like a rim protector on it. Okay. We got the bead broken. Now we have to remove the T10 headed self-tapping screw that screws the sensor into the valve stem. So I've got this bit on a needle nose pliers, and we should be able to get in there. It's going to take a little time. Alright, that's loosening up. Let's get a rag underneath there. And just so we don't lose any parts in the tire. Alright, let's take the bit off there, see if we got enough of space. Yeah. There it is. Sensor is all off. Alright, now we can put our tool on here to extract this old stem. Let's get a little leverage here. And there it is. Boy, that one was in rough shape. Here is our service pack, Schrader 20018 for this application. Inside there you'll see a T10 headed self-tapping screw, a one-time use only screw. put this on our tool to help us install it. There's two flats on this piece, so we have to engage that like that. Where's my nut driver? I want to start that. The this bit I have is a 4mm, so my bit goes right in there. Alright, so she's engaged into the slot. So now we can that squeak is not me. That's not me squeaking. Oh! That's nice and tight. That's not going to go anywhere. Alright. So now we got to get it back in the rim. Okay. Boy, that's so slippery. Okay. You can see I got a cam strap here, hold that in place down there, which worked very well. Now we can release that. Let's get that by the sensor. Tire iron's got a little rust on it. Geez, Rich, you haven't used that tire iron in a while, huh? Get that out of there. Is it by the sensor? Yeah, she's by the sensor. I'm going to leave the core in, put a little air in. Normally I take the core out, but this looks like it will seat pretty good. So we'll leave the core in there and see how well we do. I'm going to put a little soapy water in there. Just so we don't have any potential problems sticking that tire on the rim. Now the core is in there. Normally I like the core out, but let's see what happens. I think this is going to inflate pretty good. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Oh jeez, I got soap all over the camera. Jeez, even with that soapy water, she was sticking a little bit. Alright, I gotta shut this off and do a little cleaning. Alright, I got the soap off the camera. Boy, that thing really popped, huh? Let's see how much air that took to inflate that. £40. Wow. Yes, sir. Well, that wasn't too bad of a job without a tire machine. Okay, right where we need to be. That's it. Job is all done. Now that we got the stem in there, we're going to double check, make sure we don't have any leaks. Alright, that's what we want to see. No bubbles. So that's sealing really good. Now basically, there are two of these types. There is the type that has the nut on it, and then you got this type right here, which they call the plug-in style. So that's it. The job's all done. So that's all there is to replacing a TPMS service pack in your rim.